Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel Brushing Papers and thank you so much for watching my video. Firstly, my apology to you for such a long gap, and today I'm gonna make a 3D star. So let's get started. I have these two glitter sheets. These are foam glitter sheets, normal. I have scale and I have glue and a compass and a scissor and of course a pencil. Let's get started with the basic thing. Taking measurement of 8.5 centimeter on the scale, I'm gonna draw a radius of 8.5 centimeter circle. So I need two similar circles. So I'll draw a 8.5 centimeter radius circle on another sheet as well. You can vary your measurements as per your choice. It's completely up to you. Now I'm gonna cut out the circles from these sheets. Now here I'm using the big scale just to fold the sheets. So firstly I'll fold it from the middle, making the two equal halves of that. From the both side, upside down and from the side by side as well. Both side I'm making it. Now here I'm folding the half of the half like the quarter sheet. Same thing I'm gonna do with the another circle. Now draw the lines as per I'm drawing. Firstly, I'm joining the two folded areas by a cross and then taking the center, I'm drawing a single line. Now I'm joining all the ends. Basically, you have to make a hexagon. So yeah, you can draw it as per your convenience, but you have to draw a hexagon. It should be a proper hexagon. The same thing I'll do with the second circle as well. Now I'll cut the clean edges of the hexagon. If you are a science student, you must be aware of hexagon. It's just a benzene ring. Repeating the same thing with the another circle. Okay, so make sure your both hexagons are of similar size, because if your hexagon will be of similar size then you will not face any difficulties in making it perfect. Now I'm folding it just to make it the edges clean so that I can cut it. Now you must notice that I'm joining the pointy edges towards itself and making it a crease. So I'll make a single point between all these the lines which we have drawn of the hexagon, taking the half centimeter of what radius we have taken. So just like I have taken 8.5, so I'm taking the point of 4.25 or most probably 4.2. So half of that and I'll cut the same point only. Make sure you are cutting between of that. If you are finding any difficulties in understanding the process, then you must observe what I'm doing and what I'm repeating. Make a cut over the points where you have dotted. Repeat the same thing with another hexagon as well. Now join the ends, making it a cone, and stick it with a glue. I have tried with the glue but I wasn't succeeded with that, so I have tried it with stapler. If you have hot glue gun, then you must try with that because it will give the perfect joining. See here, I'm trying with glue but it's not sticking, it's not properly working so I switched to stapler. I was over with glue stick, so I'm so sorry. You can use glue stick for sure. Make sure to make a clean edge of the cone. After doing many experiments, I am done with one side star and repeating the same with another hexagon. I'll show you the process how I did it. Basically, you have to take two ends and you have to join it and fix it with a stapler. Just like this. Repeat the process with all the cones. So yeah, I'm done with the both side and I'm gonna stick it. So for sticking, if you have hot glue gun, then you can stick it perfectly, both the ends. Before sticking, I need a hanger to hang it. So using a golden thread, I'm gonna stick one end with one star and another end of the thread with another star, just to make the hanging purpose. It's completely optional. If you don't want to hang, you can obviously don't go with this thread. It's completely up to you. Now, so because I didn't had glue gun for sticking both the stars, so I literally tried with Fevikwik and literally I had succeeded with it. Just drop 1 to 2 drops of Fevikwik over the edges and just join. Press it hardly so that it can be jointed. Here I tried to join the whole star but I was failed with that, so I thought it's looking very nice. You can experiment, definitely experiment with that. If you want to join, you can definitely join if you have glue gun, but it's completely okay. If you will join with Fevikwik, it's gonna be a 2D star. It will not be a 3D star. And ta-da! Here our 3D star is ready to display. Ta-da! Here is our 3D star. So yeah, if you're here, then most probably you might have watched whole video, and thank you so much for that. And please share it to all your friends, and until my next video, stay blushy blushy.